Hello everybody, just testing a new running belt. Now this one here is basically the one that has a clip. Now I prefer to use a running belt that is Velcro. It seems to be a lot tighter and it doesn't bounce as much. This is the one that can hold a water bottle as well. So it's got the main zipper here. So it can easily fit a mobile phone. So I can fit the Pixel 7 Pro. Seems to be waterproof. It's got that. The material, yeah. So this fits the Pixel. That's got a little another pouch here. Small little pouch. Probably put the keys in there. And this is the pouch for the water bottle. Okay, it looks like it's got a zipper at the top and the bottom. So that I guess it makes it easy to expand and put a little bit of a deeper bottle. Might try putting a small water bottle. This is a little small water bottle, yeah. Fits. Not sure how it is easy to run with. Probably a little bit of movement right there. The other side doesn't have another zipper, so it's not really used for putting another water bottle. And this is the clip. So you can tie it as well. And the material is not so bad. So this is, when it's clipped, it seems a bit loose for me.